Man, oh man, is it windy out here, but that's okay. I get here early, you guys know that, but I love it when someone beats me to the store, and it's that guy, the Corvette truck driver. Can you guys believe it? They're shipping cars now out of Bowling Green Assembly. I just knew it in my heart. All the video footage we've been looking at, the track of the storm, I felt went away from the inventory, waiting to ship to dealers, and here they come. That's great news for you guys, but here's what you gotta remember. You gotta remember this. It's not over down there. They've got a lot that they're dealing with. We've got another great auction for you today, thanks to so many amazing Corvette people that you have an opportunity to bid on, so we can help these people get back to some fun times and some normalcy in their lives. Outpouring support from the video we did the other day. Thank you for that. I've got another fantastic one for you today. Please don't go anywhere. Yeah, now that's a great looking sight. While we're filming this video, I did get an update, so I was a little bit wrong. Here's what we know so far, waiting for the official statement from Chevrolet. The car's waiting on the other side of the plant. Most of the video of which we've been trying to see, we haven't been able to see. It sounds like 115 cars were damaged and destroyed. Those cars will be scrapped, is what we're being told. Those customers' cars will be rebuilt. They will be put to the front of the line when the assembly plant goes back to work, which we assume is in January. And it looks like we do have the last of our C8R editions. Got 3 more for you, one here, one here. There's one in particular that I'm looking for. That's not it. And that's it right here. Now, you guys know it comes with the black Trident wheels. Those wheels look great. This is for Ron and Katie here in Ohio, but I just can't wait any longer. Let me show you real quick. Like a little kid at Christmas. Let me show you the wheels that Ron's putting on his car. You guys are gonna love these things, man. We're stacked up over here. Okay, well, okay, they were right. Where'd my wheels go? Oh, here they are. Okay, here they are with the all seasons on there. Yeah, you guys know exactly what those are. Yes. Those are 2023 Z06 replica wheels that are going on Ron's C8R. And, well, as excited as I am presenting these cars to you, we have to be realistic. Now, let's face it, it's gonna be a long time before a lot of these families in Bowling Green and Western Kentucky can get their lives back to normal. We're trying to help any little way that we can. Add them all up, becomes a big thing. We're creating so much awareness. There's so many good-hearted people out there right now. Thank you so much for the response. I was off yesterday. Sorry I didn't get a chance to go to Bowling Green. As always in my days, something came up. I wasn't able to go, but we're planning to go back when we're done with these auctions. And I'm gonna have one of those big, those big fake foam checks made as we make a beautiful presentation to the folks of Bowling Green, Kentucky, because of you. Thank you so much, you guys. The other day I had that video. Check out the link down below. A splitter donated from American Hydrocarbon. All right, bid on that. The winning bid, the money's gonna go, and I haven't decided what agency yet. We'll let you know that before we do. We'll get that down there to those guys. I'm gonna do a personal delivery of that after the holidays. Today, what I have for you is just incredible. I can't stress it enough, deal with some really good people, and those are the folks that I enjoy working with. Michael is buying a second car from us. He's taking off these expensive wheels. Check out these wheels. I offered to pay for some of the wheels, and he said, you know what, Rick, given the situation, I want to donate the wheels, raise as much money as you can, and let's get it to the victims in Bowling Green. And then Paul in Michigan says, hey, I got some tires here. I'll donate the tires. So here's what your boy Ricky's gonna do. I'm gonna mount those tires, I'm gonna buy the sensors, so you're gonna get those rims, you're gonna get those tires. For those of you that make the bid and have the winning bid on those rims that would look just beautiful on your C8 Corvette, make those bids down below in this particular video. The auction for the front splitter, that's on the other video. We're gonna try and just keep throwing stuff at you guys. again, to help these people in Bowling Green any way we can. I almost felt helpless, but having the connection with you guys through the channel, you've allowed me to reach out and really help in a way that I didn't think that we could, and the response is great. So you'll be donating money to the tornado victims in Bowling Green, and you're gonna get something cool for your car too. So that's a win-win-win for everyone. It really is. A great sight, a great sound. And I hate diesel trucks. I do, man. But I love hearing this pitter patter, knowing that my babies are on there. I know you guys are excited too. But we got to, I'm glad that so many of us are coming together to find a way to help these people in Bowling Green. I'm excited about that. So yeah, I tell you guys many times over, and it's so true, I have the best customers in the world because these are just good people. The way we connect and help each other on this channel is so special. Thank you so much, you guys. I really do appreciate that. Think about your situation, especially just before Christmas, and being in a scenario where you don't have anything and all your stuff has been just destroyed. Maybe lost a loved one. I heard about the couple that was married together for 50 years and they died together in that tornado. So I know what little bit we're doing right now will certainly go a long way. Thank you so much, you guys. Again, down below in this video, please submit a bid for those beautiful rims and tires. The other video link is also down below if you want to make a bid for that front splitter. And I might just find some more stuff that we're just going to keep throwing in there together to make this something cool for you guys to have on your vehicles, something extra special and have extra meaning because of the situation. So thank you for anything that you're offering. That really means a lot. You guys being on this channel means a lot. Thank you so much for that support, for allowing me to have this platform to share so many things in the lifestyle of Corvette, and having the opportunity to help really means a lot. Now, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Well, I want you to come back. We got all kinds of stuff coming up for you in the future, but more importantly, in short order, Sunday night is going to be probably the most fun and the best presentation ever on this channel. Yeah, it won't disappoint. It's going to be so entertaining. It's going to be so much fun. Come back and watch my Evel Knievel jump stunt thingamajig. I don't know, I got to come up with a fancy name to that, but come back and check it out Sunday night. Thanks for watching, you guys.